Hello Year 9 and welcome to this week's assembly. The assembly this week is on being responsible. So what is being responsible? Being responsible is taking ownership of our own choices and decisions. It's about having the courage to admit when you are wrong and being brave enough to put things right. We've all had times where we have not been responsible. Take a moment to think about the last time you used one of the statements on this slide to justify your behaviour. Don't blame others for your actions. You are responsible for making your own choices, good or bad. It is your responsibility to be organised. Check your timetable and make sure you pack your bag the night before so you can plan for the day ahead. Think about how your behaviour is impacting on your learning. Are you reaching your potential? Are you allowing others to learn? If you are not acting responsibly in class, then others could not be achieving their potential either. Think about how you are treating other people and what you say to them, and the effect that this could be having on somebody's mental health. At school, we support you to become independent, to get you ready for adulthood and life after school. By being independent and making positive decisions and accepting responsibility for yourself will help you in your next chapter. Make no excuses. Everybody makes mistakes and no one is perfect. Always take responsibility for your actions. Everything we do is a choice. We have to take responsibility for our choices. There are good choices and bad choices. Bad choices can be referred to as mistakes. However, if you keep on making the same mistakes day after day, then it is a choice. And you are choosing not to be responsible. The moment you take responsibility for everything in your life is the moment you can change anything in your life. I want you to think about what this means and how you will become more responsible. What do you need to be responsible for today? Here are some tips on how you can be more responsible in school. Like having your equipment. Get prepared. Pack your bag the night before. Get your uniform and equipment ready. Being on time. Not just being on time to school, but being on time to lessons as well. When you wake up in the morning, do that by setting your alarm, maybe getting the early bus. And when we're on our way to lessons, make sure you go straight to your lessons. Don't wait for your friends to have a chat. Be on time. Don't blame others. Own your own mistakes and be brave enough to apologise and accept the sanction. Don't disrupt the learning of others. Everybody has the right to learn, so don't be selfish. Keep negative talk and negative opinions on others to yourself. Be kind and don't be responsible for making someone feel unhappy or sad. And learn from your mistakes. Mistakes are how we learn. However, by making the same mistakes over and over again is a choice. Thank you for listening, Year 9, and I hope this has helped you recognise what being responsible is. If you've any issues at all at school, please remember that you can come and speak to me or any other member of staff and we will support you. Thank you.